Hello. It's Doug from watchinggadget.com, and in today's video I would like to show you how to hook up your X6 smartwatch to your device, Android device, for the first time. Now I'd like to go ahead and say, if you'd like to see more content like this and how-to videos and reviews for all your watches and your gadgets, hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, let's jump to it. First thing you want to do is download this app, BT Notification app, to your phone. Alright, and once it's downloaded, you'll need to go into settings. Okay, and go all the way down to the bottom where it says accessibilities. Click it. Let's go all the way down to the bottom and make sure that the BT notification is turned on right there. Now once you have done that, go ahead and pull up your Bluetooth and go ahead and turn it on. Then after you've done that, make sure it's visible. This is the best way to connect them. Now go into your smartwatch and go to the Bluetooth menu. Make sure visibility is turned on, and then you see where it says My Device. Click it. Then it says Search New Device. Click it. Okay, now it's going to search. Now once it's found it, click it and let it pair. Click the OK button. Alright, now you can see you're connected. Go ahead and allow permission for your contacts and whatnot. And now you are connected. And it'll ask for it to sync and update. You want to do that. It'll sync your phone to your watch. You see, this is the last notification I got from the phone. And now you're set up and ready to go. Now this is just a quick video. If you got any more questions about how to operate the watch or something like that, I'll have more videos to come. Right now it's just showing you how to hook it up to your phone for the first time. And thank you for watching. Like I say, hit that subscribe button or contact me at doug@watchinggadget.com. Thank you for watching.